Hello and welcome to Easy Maths, a guide to understanding and solving maths problems. I'm your host, Olaleye Timidayo. I'm glad to have you here. Today we're going to be talking about least common multiple, commonly known as LCM. We have a problem here to solve. Find the LCM of 3 and 5, of 6 and 15, of 12 and 15, LCM of 4, 10 and 12, and the last one LCM of 3, 5, 9 and 15. To start, to be able to solve this problem, you need to have a knowledge of your multiplication table, and then you're also good at dividing. So to start, we say this is 3 and 5. What can go in 3 or 5 is 3. 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in 5 cannot go, because of that we bring down 5. What else can we use now? We can use 5. 5 in 1, we've already gotten our 1. 5 in 5 is 1. To get LCM, we must make sure that they both end in 1. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 times 5, and that is equals to 15. We must ensure that our final answer for LCM must end in 1 and 1 here. We move on to the next one. This is 6 and 15. Because of our multiplication table, look at our division table, look at what can go in 6 or 15. We start with what? 2. 2 in 6 will give us 3. 2 cannot go in 15, so we bring down 15. What can go in these two is 3. 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in 15 will give us 5. What else can go here is what? 5. 5 in 1, we already have our 1 here. 5 in 5 will give us what? 1. So the LCM of 6 and 15 is equals to, we multiply all these here, that will be 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 will give us 30. So therefore the LCM of 6 and 15 is equals to 30. We move on to that of 12 and 15. LCM of 12 and 15. We start with what? 2. 2 can go in 12. That will end up giving us 6. 2 in 15 cannot go, so we bring down 15. Whatever cannot go must be brought down. What else can go here is what? 2. 2 in 6 will give us 3. 2 in 15 cannot go, so we bring this down. What else can go here? We have 3. 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in 15 will give us 5. What else can go is 5. 5 in 1 we bring down 1. 5 in 5 will give us 1. At the end of the day, the LCM of 12 and 15 will be equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. We already know that 2 times 5 will give us 10. 2 times 3 will give us 6. So at the end of the day, we say 10 times 6 will be 60. So the LCM of 12 and 15 will give us 60. We move to this. LCM of 4, 10 and 12. LCM of 4, 10 and 12. We start with the least of them all, which is 2. 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 10 will give us 5. 2 in 12 will give us 6. What else can go? 2 can go. So we'll put 2 here. 2 in 2 will give us 1. 2 in 5, it can't go, so we'll bring down 5. 2 in 6 will give us 3. What else can go here? We use 3. 3 in 1, we bring down 1 because we've already gotten our answer there. 3 in 5 cannot go, so we bring down 5. 3 in 3 will give us 1. The last is what? This. We use 5 so that we can get 1 all-rounder. So we have 1 here. 5 in 5 will give us 1. 5 in 1 will bring down 1. So the LCM of 4, 10, and 12 will be equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times times 5. This in turn will give us 60. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 10 times 6 will end up giving us 60. Finally, we have this. Somebody will say, is this not too long? No, not too long. Why? Simply because we can use this in arranging of fractions. For example, we have minus this. We have 2 over 5. We have, let's say, 4 over 9. And we have, let's say, 2 over 15. And we are asked to arrange in either ascending or descending order. We need LCM, the knowledge of LCM, to be able to solve this. So because of that, the LCM of 3, 5, 9, and 15. We start with what? 2, but there is no multiple of 2 here, which means we need to move on to what? 3. 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in 5 cannot go, so we'll bring down 5. 3 in 9 will give us 3. 3 in 15 will give us 5. From here, we can still use 3. So we'll say 3 because there's 3 here. 3, we will bring down our 1 here. 3 in 5 will still give us 5 because 3 cannot go in 5. 3 in 3 will give us 1. 3 in this 5 also will give us 5. The only thing that can go again is what? 5. So we have our 1 here, we have our 1 here. 5 in this 5 will give us 1. 5 in this 5 will give us what? 1. Now we've gotten one all-rounder, so we can get our LCM. So our LCM of 3, 5, 9, and 15 will be equal to 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 5 will give us 45. Try and see if you can solve this by your own self. And once you're able to solve it, it means you understand what we call lowest common multiple or the least common multiple. Thank you and remain blessed.